How to make an outline transparent text effect in CapCut. Here's the easy way. Begin by dragging your video. Then add your text. You can enter and edit any text you want here. Next, choose a color and make sure the text covers the entire video. Now, copy the video, paste it, and move it to the top layer. Go to the Video tab, open the Cutout section, and check Auto Cutout. Then, copy the text. Scroll down in the text tools to find stroke. Choose your desired stroke color. After that, go to Media, Library, and add a black background. Extend it to match the text duration. Select these two clips and create a compound clip. Move these to the top of all clips. Go to the Video tab, Basic, and set the blend mode to brighten. And there you go. You just created transparent outline text in just a few steps. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials.